Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Shopify discount cap are become more important in 2026, especially for store offering discounts. For example, if you create a 10% off on large order, customer could receive a very high discount amount. So in this updated 2026 tutorial, I'll show you how to set a discount cap in Shopify using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here we can go to the store. So that click on view store. Then here we can click on any product. Here I add this. Then here the amount is $500. So here I add the quantity to 4. Then click on add to cart. Here let's see. So this is the amount, total amount is 2000. So let's just imagine we are applying 20% as discount value. Then after all offer it will be $1,600. That is, it saved the $400 actually. But here is the problem. A simple 20% discount on a large order can become a huge discount amount. So to avoid this much of discount, we have to set the cap value. So using next discount app, so that go to the dashboard. Then here, this is the app section. Click on next discount app. Then here, click on create new discount. Here the discount type as discount code and give a code. Here I give smart 20 and the percentage, the discount value I used as percentage. Here give 20%. Then this is the important part, that is capping amount. So we have set the $100 as capping amount. So it will stop up to $100. Above $100 it will stop the offers. So then discount applied for all product. Here discount message for only automatic discount. Then here no minimum purchase requirement I choose. So customer eligibility, here I choose for all customer. Then maximum discount uses, here I limit to 1 use per customer. Then we can set the dates. Here the offer start from this date and we have to set the end date. So that's it. Then this product discount can be combined with all option I click. So it will appear on all. Then click on save. Okay, now it has been added. So then we can go to the online store. Then here click on this product. Then here we already click on add to cart the product, that is for quantity it is actually in 2000, but for 20% it will be save $400. So let's see how much it save. Apply the code. Click on apply. Yeah, here we can see it only save $100 because here we set the capping amount as $100. So that's how you can control discount value in Shopify using the next discount app in 2026. So this is very helpful for the store. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.